How to delete the data from your iPad before selling. So if you're selling your iPad, I'm going to show you how to remove your personal data. Now the first thing you need to do is bring up the settings on your iPad like this. You can then click on your profile name in the top left hand side. You'll then need to scroll down the page and click on sign out. So before we go and delete all of our data, we need to make sure we're signed out of our Apple account. So I'm just going to press sign out but don't erase, and you can go through the steps to sign out of your account. Now once you've done this, you can come back over to this left hand navigation and click on general. You can then scroll down to transfer or reset iPad, click on erase all content and settings, and this is where we can go and erase all of the data from our device. So I'm just going to press continue. And as you can see, this will remove all of your personal data. This includes all of your media, photos, and files. So if you're happy to do this, just press erase iPad. And once you've done this, your iPad will be like brand new when you first purchased it out of the box.